check the point at?
We in Panama. The kids, boy, baby getting sleepy. The kids sleeping, you know. They giving me a break, man. A break. She said I need it, so I get a break for this trip. Martin family way, I get a break. The hate is real. She gonna try to find something for me to do, but I'm filming. You know, I'm trying to get in touch with my filming debut. You know, so we got a lot coming up this remaining of the year on the Martin family way, but we gonna be doing a lot of things, big things, ain't that right? And y'all go to Mona Living page. You know what I'm saying? She got her page up and running, and she's on fire right now. She like shout her hotter than fish grease right now. So you know. The hate. She hotter than fish grease. So y'all go over there, but right now, you know, this is the kids' pre-game in spring break. You know what I'm saying? And they want to rain on them. God, come on, let's say a prayer. Heavenly Father, Lord, please let the sun come out. Let it get hot temperatures. Let these kids enjoy this water. The good old water you don't put on this earth for us to enjoy.
This sign clearly says do not waste food. Eat all your food. I think I want, let me see. What is that? Pineapple toasters, those are gone. Let me get y'all, this place we're at, it is so delicious, y'all. Every time we come to Panama, we come here and get some of these. I don't know what these are, but I'll try them. So they always got stuff for you to eat. And they got chopsticks. I need to get me some chopsticks. Which one is that? Veggie rolls. And I like these right here. Those right there is my favorite. I'm gonna grab 2 of those. Oh, they got a California roll. I want this today. Oh, I like this one right here. I think I got. Did I get this one the last time? Yeah, I think I got this one. Again, y'all, they have the raw bar. So where they do like, you can make your, you know, do your little stuff or whatever. And I like those Lance crackers. So you do your rice, your what's it called that? Y'all. Got the name of it. But yeah, you think it's like a raw bar. So where they do everything. Cook it over there at the hibachi grill. I don't want none of that. I think and then this is the Chinese stuff that they got. So it looks pretty good. And they got these over here. These are dumplings, and they are pork dumplings. And then y'all, over here, I'm gonna try some dumplings, and they got crab rangoons. I'm gonna try one of these. I'm just trying stuff, y'all. I'm really not hungry. I already ate. I just wanted to come up here and show y'all the bar, to be honest with you. So this is what I got so far, y'all. Come on. Get out the way, mama. And then I'm gonna get a piece of chicken just to try it. It looks pretty tasty. And then, y'all, I'm gonna try. The kids like these little Chinese, what is it called? Chinese donuts. So I'm gonna try 2 of those. I wanted to just show y'all the bar.
So Martin Family Way, what's up? We back round for one more go round. So I'm in the hotel without the kids, you know, and Mona keep talking about, you know, her crew. Well, guess what? Her crew left their towels. Now they at the pool. Right, they at the pool down there. And they left their towels. You know what they say? You know, her crew. Well, we gonna see how fast they switch up. Cause they switch up quick. These kids, but ain't no loyalty. They like some of these grown folk around here. They switch up. They like comedians. Turn like fake gold around here. Okay. But yeah, since, you know, they turned on me and left me in here, talking about they ain't gotta wait on me. But guess what? When I get out the pool, everybody gonna be on my job. Hey, we back on. We ain't switch on you. Yeah, y'all switch. I know you. But Martin Family, I've got. What you got to offer? So, what's up, y'all?
What you got to offer?
What's up? What's going on? Oh, what y'all on Mona crew, right? But y'all got these towels. Hold on. No. Hold on. Y'all Mona crew, right?
I'm not on a crew.
But y'all forgot these towels, right? Y'all got to dry off. So only my crew get the towels.
Yes. I'm daddy crew.
What you say? Hold on.
I said sorry.
You say sorry?
Yeah.
What you say?
I said I want the boat.
No. See how I told y'all. Hold on.
I'm your crew.
You my crew? Say it loud.
I'm your crew.
Yeah. You my crew? You my crew?
I'm your crew. Psych. I lied.
I told you how.
Look how one eye.
Wink the eye again. It's on old school.
Look, Dad.
Yeah. I told you these folk flip like fake gold around here. What's up? Can't get in the water? Mm.
You can't say Africa. Dad, drive the boat. Drive the boat over here.
Let's see.
Wait, hold up.
Stick my feet in here.
It's not even cold.
I am.
It's not even cold. It's warm, ain't it?
Oh yeah, this ain't cold. I'ma be in the water. I'ma be in the water. Water, water. They want to hate on us. Martin family, they want to hate on us Martin family way. But we back round for one more go round. You know, we out here. And y'all can tell we ain't in Georgia. You see the palm tree. Yeah, yeah. Kids! That's what they do when they feel like they got the whole pool to themselves. I think I need to throw something on the grill, show these folks how I really get down. I don't fool with them Webbles like that. They don't. They alright. Ain't my type of party. Alright. Well, get what? We'll get back with y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Peace out, babe. Peace out. So how was the food? Good. Mama left us, huh? She ain't no good. Yeah, back to the Martin family way. Where we do things our way. I got a mind of his own, huh? Alright, let's go. Y'all want to be on my YouTube?
Yeah.
All right, say your name.
My name's Jay.
All right, say your name.
My name's Jay.
You got an Instagram?
My name's Makina.
What's your name?
My name's Aubrey.
Okay. This is the Martin family way. This is friends we all met out here in Panama, Florida. And we having fun. They go your parents right. That's what they ain't by themselves. Y'all say, hey. Y'all got Instagram, YouTube?
Yeah.
I say Instagram, YouTube.
My Instagram is all over Allen.
Hold on, say it again.
It's all over Allen.
All over Allen?
Over ALLEN. Follow her, you follow me.
Okay. All right, it's Martin family way. We signing out. I'll take it easy. What's up? What's up, Pam?
It's hot.
It's hot.
And I can't see.
Yeah. Martin family way, we out here. Beautiful. Spring break. Come on. Peaceful. What you thinking about? Martin family way. Everybody say what's up?
What's up?
Yeah. Spring break 2022, right?
Yep.
I'm looking at all bushes and stuff. Don't worry about that though. We're letting it grow up, grow out, my bad. But we here in Panama City, Florida.
Like Cam said, I'm gonna cook.
Y'all had fun? Shawty got out flying for no reason. We ain't in no rush. We just came from the
didn't
beach.
even know, dollar was that fast.
Oh yeah, dollar gets shot through there.
Dollar ain't fast, man.
Dollar gets up through there.
We out here in Florida. You know, we had them a fender bender. Y'all be safe out here, man. Accidents happen. That's what they call accidents.
They got houses right here. Bro, you can I play with the iPad? I'm about to play with it. No, you been having our iPad since yesterday. Then give me your phone. Cause they ain't have both at one time. I wasn't even playing with my phone. Where is it?
Don't tell me you done lost your phone now.
No, it's in here. It was in my pocket. It fell out there. Check the pocket.